Hello everyone, this is Nirmala Devi Ponuswamy. In this topic, I'm gonna see the online tools for molecular talking. So we are going to discuss about what are the online tools are available and how can use the server and what is the advantages and disadvantages of using the server. So first we're gonna see that what are the online tools available for doing molecular talking. So I have provided here four server online server. The one is BizTalk, another one is ZTalk, third one is HDTalk, fourth one is Doctor. This is the URL. You can go through the page also. First is SwissDoc. SwissDoc is used to predict the protein and ligand molecular interaction. So it is developed by Aurélien Grasdier, Vincent Zoandin, and Oliver Michelin from the molecular modeling group of the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics, Switzerland. The Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics, they have provided a lot of server for doing drug design, side chain prediction, target prediction, and SwissDoc ADME predictions. All those information they are created by the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics. So here we are seeing that SwissDoc. It is mainly based on the docking software of E8 DSS. DSS means dihedral phase. Sampling, which have provided the sum of algorithm, mainly the CHOM. CHOM is force field in MDS molecular dynamic simulations. The abbreviation is chemistry at Harvard macromolecular mechanics, which has used here the energy of estimated or the grid parameter settings. So Swiss talk, it's we can predict the blind docking based on the Chom energy field. I mean Chom force field energy. We can use it here. So blind docking means the ligand which go and bind anywhere else of the protein, but it will if we are providing the Chom force field means it will predict which force the ligand go and bind of the protein. So it is most it will provide the most favorable energies can evaluated facts and cluster also. The SwissDoc is one of the best software for online server also. Here I have given the home page of SwissDoc. Here you can see that target selection and ligand selection and description. In the target selection we can provide the PDB ID or its protein name or sequence or URL, or we can upload the file also. In the ligand selection also we can provide the ligand name, or we can upload the file. Should be in the maximum 5 MB. The job description we can give whatever we have to give, we can give, and the email address we have to provide the academic email address. Then we can get the results. What is the reason of doing the SwissDoc? It's why what is the necessary of doing the SwissDoc means it proposes a binding mode of our ligand. I have already told you now the it will provide the blind docking. Also it will use the Chom force field, and it will design the inhibitors for the target of our choice. So which target we are using, so it will design the binding inhibitor also. The next one is ZTOC. ZTOC is mainly used for protein-protein interactions. So the ZTOC, the binding modes in the translation and rotation space between the protein two proteins. So in this study, the previous study I told you now, the SwissDoc they are using protein ligand. Here that protein-protein interaction, this server is mainly used. So it evaluated each force using the energy-based scoring functions. It will use the fast Fourier transform FFT. FFT it is determines the Fourier transform of significance faster than the computing it directly. It will reduce the number of computations need for the problem size, the nitrogen to oxygens. So the FFT is based protein docking program is authored and maintained by the Shipping Penic Lab, the University of Massachusetts Medical School, United States. So the Zeta predicts the top 2000 results. We can filter based on the user defined residues, which residues we need based on the cutoff of E6 Armstrong. So based on that we can get it the result. This is the ZTOC server. We can provide the to protein the we can give the protein I mean PDB ID, or else we can provide the PDB file also. Here also we have to enter the academic mail address. Then we can click submit, means you can get the results. What is the advantage of doing this using this software ZHawk to predict the structure of protein-protein interaction complexes and semantic multimers. The same similar type of protein we can get the multimers. So next one is HDTalk. HDTalk is used to predict the all type of interactions. For example, protein DNA or protein RNA, the template based modeling, ab initio free docking also we can predict this using this HDTalk. It will using a hybrid docking strategy from the Hong laboratory. This server also using the FFT, the fast Fourier transform based global search method. It's iterative knowledge based scoring functions. This FFT is based approaches. It hierarchical dogging algorithm. Also, what is the advantages of performing this HDOC is CAPRI, which means the critical assessment of predicted interactions of protein from the experimental level. This is the HDHawk server page. We can upload the file also, I mean protein file also, or else we can provide the PDB ID or FASTA sequence also. It will this server will accept. Then here the ligand, or else we can go for the advanced options. Advanced option template free docking also, or else we can click the we can provide the binding site residues. So all those informations are available in the advanced option itself. We can enter in the optional, we can enter we can enter the email also, academic email. We can get the result from our email. What is the advantages of using this HDOC is homology search, template based modeling, structure prediction, macromolecular docking, biological information incorporation, and job management. This software is very robust and the fast protein the docking also. It will process create 30,000 docking jobs from the official release on 2017. This server can normally complete the docking job within 30 minutes. The next one is Doctor. Doctor is used to predict the protein ligand prediction. I mean protein ligand complex prediction. It will performs the force predictions on redocking studies. It will compare with the state of odd docking such as Autodoc Vena, Staclax, Gold, Glide, RDNA, and DIG, as well as the specific docking protocol of HPEP dock. The doctor can find the experimental structure of peptide which contain the helix other two complexes. A total is 7 protein peptide complexes. The success rate is very low, the 25% of success rate by doing the peptide, the structure prediction of peptide. These results indicate that the more sophisticated scoring functions can identify the helix containing forces that top ranked solutions correctly. It will investigate the binding modes and predict the binding affinities also. This is the doctor page. Here there are five options. One is protein, another one is cofactors, another one is ligand, another one is docking, and the results. In the protein page, it will we can upload the protein information. Um, we can upload the protein file, or else we can give the FASTA sequence also. In the cofactor, if you know the cofactors, we can provide it, or else we can go directly go to the ligand. We can upload the ligand and we can send to the doctor. It will dock and it will provide the results. What is the advantages of using doctor? Means it will achieve the protein ligand complexes. The success rate is 60% of force predictions. It will overall it will performance the peptide compound using the doctor server. The suitable dogging highly flexible and challenging ligand within with up to 40 rotatable bonds. The doctor also freely available server. Here we can screen the we can use to virtual screening the virtual screening the components. So these are the references I have followed for this lecture, and all the data is gathered from the variety of sources and the research papers, server databases, websites, and some of the books. I offer gratitude to all of them. Thank you so much, and almost I thank my institute, Vellore Institute of Technology. Thank you so much.